What do you think? Should we or not? What
I'm
do
on
you
the fence.
think?
It's a tough decision for me. It's like a piece of my life.
I know.
Not quite like a child
I know.
or a dog, but like really close to it.
12 years. 12 years
Right.
with the Jeep. I remember when you brought the Jeep and what did I say?
You're so cheap
Why?
because the power locks are the key.
Oh my God.
To roll the window down, you have to use your hand.
Yes.
It has power nothing. But you know what? It's never complained. The Jeep has never complained. It's always been happy.
Yes.
It served our family very well, and it can continue to do so. So
Yes.
I'm on the fence. I don't know. I don't need to sell it.
We will see, and it has been a great icon for our family. Joey, Tommy, Jacob, they all learned how to drive in the Jeep. The engine broke, and Jerry put a new engine in it.
Suspension. Twice.
Yes.
Front end.
Yes.
Control arms.
Yes.
Everything. Tie rods.
Completed and made by this guy right here. Everything. The garage was full of stuff. It was like building a Lego. Changing the oil.
Yep.
When Joy and Tommy had an accident that day, the bumper just got damaged.
Put a new bumper on. Yep.
They put a new bumper on.
Everything.
Trips.
You name it, it's been done.
Everybody sees a yellow Jeep and they think about the Davis family. Right?
Like the icon of the seas.
Yes.
The land.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
Yes. So today is a big day. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it's going to happen or not. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If not, then let's see what happens.
Yep.
Wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Way